Welcome to Cam's World. Olé.
Olé, Gombe,
Salud.
salud. Cheers.
Opa, salud.
Hey, Patrick. What do you got?
Burger.
Cheeseburger?
Burger. Kids meal.
Giant cheese.
Wow, looks delicious. What's that?
Cheese.
Cheese? With what?
Burger and lettuce. Green, yellow, red lettuce.
Oh,
And
cheese.
tomato and lettuce and purple lettuce.
Great.
And some fries.
Looks like hand-cut fries. Homemade.
Later I'm gonna eat
So
this.
we'd like to see.
Later I'm gonna eat that wrap.
Okay, how is it?
No
How's your
matter
burger?
what.
How about you try your burger?
Okay, after I have a bite of my burger.
Good. So, moving
And
on.
that's right.
Let me
So,
try
Mama.
Let me try first. This is polo shawarma plate.
Yeah, it's kind of like what they would call a sultan at some other restaurants, I
Oh,
guess.
was it? Dip it in my
Salad, fries, kebab meat.
Good. Good.
Yeah, it looks good. I should-
I see your eye on it.
Yeah, jelly.
Okay, what are you having?
This one is a chicken. Yes, they call it shawarma, or what's the other word they would use it? A kebab.
What's the difference of a circle bread to like a wrap, like rolled?
I don't know.
Look at that.
Mm.
You
Mm.
already got your sauce ready over there.
Yep.
Spicy sauce.
Mm.
How was it?
It's good. It's
Delish.
very good. Glad we tried this place. We'll be back.
Patrick. Patrick is like picking on my stuff. How's your lettuce?
Time to eat this. I'm gonna try
You can
it.
have some of it
half.
if you want. Okay, you can have half of it.
I mean the whole thing. Mine half.
Okay.
Mm, mm,
How? Delish. Love it.
so good. I'm 10 of these.
You want 10 of that?
Definitely come back here, man. This is the best kebabs ever. Look at that, you get a nice little dessert with the kids' meal, huh? Jelly.
Yeah.
That's not fair. What?
Ice cream.
I won't even be able to finish it because I'm getting full with my burger.
Yeah, the burger's even very filling, and you got this to deal with. Don't worry, I'll help you out.
Okay. Good.
What flavor is
What
it?
flavor? What's the flavor?
It tastes a little bit chocolatey.
Chocolatey.
Okay.
Ready for my baklava. This is the one I'm always looking forward to. One of my favorite dessert for now. Baklava. Look at that. Why are you laughing at me?
Play.
My favorite.
That's true, Patrick. It's a good impression of your mom.
That's it.